Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. Today we will continue with our chapter number 4. Today we are going to solve exercise number 4.4. Question number 1 is MCQ, multiple choice question. Choose the correct options. Okay. Question number 1 is, if the cost of 8 2/3 liter of milk is rupees 260, what will be the cost of 5 1/3 liter of milk? If this much liter of milk cost rupees itna, you have to find the cost of this much liter of milk. So how we will find? First we will convert this fraction. Okay, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 2 is 26 upon 3 liter is equals to rupees 260. If this much amount cost rupees itna, so you have to find the amount this much liter cost milk. Okay, so what is the cost of this much liter? First we will convert this into normal fraction. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 is 16 upon 3 liter. Okay, so first we will find 1 liter of milk. Here it is not 1 liter milk cost given. Okay, so first we will find 1 liter milk cost will be how much. So how we will find? If this much liter cost itna, so we will divide this by this. Okay, so 1 liter is equals to rupees 260 divided with 26 upon 3. So 260 into 3 upon 26. 26 ones are 26 tens are. What is the cost of 1 liter milk? 1 liter milk cost rupees 30. Now when we get the 1 liter milk cost, then we can find this much liter cost. Okay, so how we will find? We will multiply with 30. 16 by 3 into 30. First we will see whether it is cancelled out or not. 3 ones are 3 tens are, and then we will multiply with this. So what is our answer? Our answer will be rupees 160, which is given in option number A. So you will take option number A. Okay, whenever more amount is given, first you will find the 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter cost first you will find, then you will find 5 1/3 liter of milk cost. Okay, so in this way we will solve this question. First we will convert the mixed fraction into normal fraction, then we will find the 1 liter cost, and then we will find 16/3 liter cost of milk, which costs rupees 160. Now next one is the expression of 4 rupees of 4 rupees 50 paisa as a fraction of rupees 27 is. Okay, see, 4 rupees 50 paisa, we will write like this, rupees 4 and 50 paisa. This we have to find in the fraction of rupees 27. First we will find this fraction. Okay, so how we will find? 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa, we all know. Rupees 1 is equals to 100 paise, we all know. Okay, then we will convert first this amount into fraction. Okay, so 4 rupees is equals to 4.50 is equals to rupees 450 upon 100. Okay, because 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa, and we will divide 50 paise by 100, so we will get this kind of expression. Okay, then we will cancel this first. How we will cancel it first? 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. So what answer we get? 4 1/2. Now we will change this mixed fraction into normal fraction. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 upon 2. So rupees 4.50 is converted into fraction 9/2. Now we will convert this. Now we have to convert this into the fraction of rupees 27. Okay, so how we will convert? We will divide this by 27. 9 by 2 divided with 27. I have told you earlier, when we will divide the fraction, the second number will be, it is changed into the expression of multiplication, and here it will become the reciprocal. Okay, numerator will come at denominator and denominator will come at the numerator. Now we will see whether it is cancelled or not. 9 ones are 9, 3s are 27. So what we get? 1 upon 6, which is given in option number D. So you will tick option number D. Now number 3. Now question number 3 is 10 kilometer 500 meter as an expression of, as a fraction of 28. This we have to convert. Okay, so first we will convert this. As you all know, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay, so 10 kilometer 500 upon 1000. First we will cancel the 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 ones are 5 twos are. So what is left out? 10, 1 upon 2. First we will convert this. 10 twos are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 by 2. Now we will change into the expression of fraction of 28 kilometer. 21 upon 2 divided with 28. 21 by 2 into 1 upon 28 is equals to 21 ones are 21 upon 28 into 2 will be 56. Now we will find one table that divides 2 of both. Okay, so 7 3s are 21, 7 8s are 56. So what is our answer? Our answer is 3 by 8, which is given in option number B. So you will take option number B. Now next question is write true or false. Question number 2 is true or false. Okay, first one is 2 by 3 divided with 1 upon 3 is equals to 2 by 9. So 2 by 3, in place of divide sign we will put multiplication sign and we will reciprocal the second number. Okay, 3 ones are 3 ones are. What is left out? 2 upon 1, and here it is given 2 by 9. So this is a false statement. So you will write there false. Okay, number 2, 7 by 8 divided with 7 by 8 is equals to no. We have learned the property of multiplication and division. Okay, so in division, whenever same number is divided with the same number, we will get 1 as the answer. So this is 7 by 8 divided with 7 by 8, we will get 1. This is a true statement. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is 0 divided with 2 by 5 is equals to 0. This is also one property that whenever we will divide any number by 0, we will get 0 as the answer. So this is also a true statement. Okay, number 4. What is number 4? Number 4 is 3 1 upon 3 divided with 1 is equals to 3 1 by 3. Here also the same property will continue. Whenever we will divide any number by 1, we will get same number as the answer. So this statement is also true. Number 5 is 2 1 by 2 divided with 2 1 upon 5 is equals to 0. So you will solve first. Okay, first we will convert this mixed fraction into normal fraction. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2 divided with 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is 11 by 5 is equals to 0. Okay, now we will convert this 5 by 2 5 by 11. No one will be cancelled out. So we will just multiply. 5 5s are 25 upon 22. Here the answer is 25 upon 22 and here 0 is given. So this is also a false statement. Okay, now number 6 is 1 3 by 7 divided with 1 2 upon 3 is equals to 1. First we will convert this and check. 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 3 is 10 by 7 7 divided with 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3 is equals to 1. 10 by 7 into 3 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 threes are 6, 7 ones are 7. So the answer we get is 6 by 7 and here it is given 1. So this is also a false statement. So you will write here false. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill ups. First one is 2 by 5 divided with 2 by 5. As we all know, when we divide a number with the number itself, we get 1 as the answer. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 1. This can be proof also. Okay, 2 by 5, in place of divide, we will write multiply sign. Here the reciprocal will come. 2 ones are 2 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are. What is left out? 1. So the answer is 1. Number 2. 2 by 7 divided with 1. Any number divided by 1, we will get the same number as the answer. Number 3. 3 by 4 divided with dash is equals to 3 by 4. Any number divided by 1, we will get the same number as the answer. So the answer will be 1. Number 4th is 7 1 by 3 divided with dash is equals to 7 1 by 3. Here also 1 will come. When a number is divided by 1, we will get the same number as the answer. Number 5. In question number 5, dash divided with 2 3 by 4 equals to nothing is given. So we will leave this question and move on to question number 6. Number 6 is 0 divided with 5 2 by 3 is equals to dash. Any number divided with 0, we will get 0 as the answer. Number 7. 2 7 upon 8 divided with 1 is equals to dash. Any number divided by 1, we will get same number as the answer. Number 8. 4 1 by 2 divided with 1 is equals to. Whenever we will divide any number with 1, we will get same number as the answer. Okay. Now next question is question number 4. Divide. Question number 4. Divide. Number 1. 6 by 7 by 9. You have to divide 6 by 7 by 9. First we will put the division sign. But in place of by, we will put divide and 9. 6 by 7 multiply, we will change the reciprocal. Here nothing is given, so we will take 1 as the denominator. Okay. Now 3 twos are 3 threes are 2 ones are 2, 7 threes are 21. We will see whether any number is cancelling out or not. If a number is cancelling out, we will cancel out the numbers and we will multiply the rest of the number. Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay. Now number 2. 1 by 12 by 4. 1 by 12 divided with 4. 1 by 12 into 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 48. Next is number 3. 3 1 by 4 by 5. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 upon 4 divided with 5. 13 by 4, in place of division we will put multiplication and reciprocal. Okay. 13 ones are 13. 4 5s are 20. So what is our answer? Our answer is 13 by 20. Now number 4th. Number 4 is 2 1 by 2 by 3. First we will change the mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2 divided with 3. 5 by 2 into 1 by 3. Nothing is cancelled out. So 5 ones are 5, 2 3s are 6. So what is our answer? Answer is 5 by 6. Number 5th. 5 1 by 2 by 2. Change the fraction. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 by 2 divided with 2. 11 by 2 into 1 by 2. 11 ones are 11, 2 2s are 4. So what is our answer? Our answer is 11 by 4. Number 6. 6th is 7 1 by 2 by 5. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 by 2 divided with 5. 15 by 2 into 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. 3 by 2. So in this way you will solve the rest of the question. Only 3 questions are left. That is your homework. You will try to solve that question by your own. So this is all for today. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.